Nathan from Wales needed to drill 3mm holes in steel handles which had sprung steel centres. Using off-the-shelf Cobalt drill bits and cutting lubricant, he went through 15 drill bits to achieve only 4 holes. Nathan then contacted us and we suggested he use our hard drill bits and cutting paste. Using just one of our drill bits and some of our cutting paste and drilling at the correct speed and pressure, multiple holes were achieved with incredible ease. When drilling hard metals, it is absolutely crucial to prevent the drill bit from overheating. To help ensure this, follow these 4 top tips. 1. Drill at a slow speed. 2. Only apply necessary pressure. 3. Use plenty of lubricant. 4. Drill in short bursts and take breaks. These actions will not only make the drilling task easier, but will also prolong the life of your drill bit.